You letting these land or we take them?
Right here is where we're gonna get fucking seen.
No, let him land on one more land.
I say we shoot him right now.
Just wait. Alright, you want to shoot him and let
How many's down?
Alright, let's kill him. Kill him.
Go.
Kill him. Woo! Sit back down.
Get back down.
What the hell? I got fucking 4 shots. Call like a motherfucker, dude. Call like a motherfucker. Do you think we got picked off?
No. Yeah, I know we got fucking picked off.
Listen. Where are they at? Listen. Let me get them.
They flew right the fuck over top of us.
Keep your eyes open.
Fuck, man.
You know, they'll come back this afternoon or again.
How many was in that flock?
About
20, 30. Maybe,
No more
maybe,
than
maybe
20.
20.
Did they work better than the other ones last time, or did they all fucking come in a circle like that?
They all came in a circle like that. Some did that and left, and then more came in.
Does that happen last time?
Yep.
You want to flop around?